so beautiful, man. This is Meghalaya. They have views, waterfalls. And you can, if you realize on trees of them. Yo guys, welcome.
Welcome back.
Welcome back and Bamba Club. Okay?
Hey. Boss,
Yes.
wait.
It's your guy Samsona aka No Nonsense from Nigeria.
From South Sudan.
Today we are going to react to a video called
BADNO. BADNO. Bad
Meet
and
our
no.
guy.
Hey, our boss.
Yeah.
Hey.
With my guys.
Yo, welcome brothers.
Welcome, bro.
Yeah.
I'm here for that time with you guys.
Yeah.
So, boss, wait.
Warm welcome.
Wait.
Welcome.
Like, share, subscribe. The more you relax, the more you forget. So, please like, share, subscribe. You understand the vibe? So,
Okay.
I'm here with
We are comfortable.
sit, boss. Sit. Senior man.
Okay. Welcome. Okay. Tell them.
Hey.
Talk to the people. Yeah.
Tell them.
So I'm so happy to meet you guys.
Yeah, man.
I'm so comfortable.
The pleasure is mine, boss.
Okay, firstly,
Mhm.
I would like to encourage you as you have been encouraged already.
Yeah, man.
Subscribe, share,
See,
comment.
you have spoken well.
Of course.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so to
Wine. Yeah.
yes,
From
wine.
Zimbabwe.
From
Not
Zimbabwe.
wine.
Wine.
Not that alcohol, okay? That wine it, like do it well.
Yeah.
First time wine from Zimbabwe.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I live with my brother.
Hey.
Yes.
Yeah, boss.
So
My role model in the class. Gives me peace, and I'm happy to meet my new brothers.
Oh, thank you.
yeah, thank you, bro.
Always respect them, and I will continue to come here to see them, whether they are playing or not.
thank you, brother. So it's gonna be his first time, guys. Today is our special guest
Yeah, man.
from Zimbabwe,
Yeah.
and this is South Sudan. This is
Sudan.
and this is Sudan. So today we are checking a music video from Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a northeast India. Yeah, one beautiful place there in northeast.
Yeah, man.
I don't know if you have people from Meghalaya in your college. Maybe you will have
Yeah,
northeast
but-
people are there,
yeah.
but not from Meghalaya, right?
From Sikkim
Yeah.
and
So,
Assam.
so those people they speak Khasi language. Here we are in Andhra, they speak Telugu.
Yeah.
So they are Telugu people. So Khasi people they speak Khasi language.
Yeah, man.
So we are going to check one music video by the title BADNO. Yeah. So let's do it, guys.
No, don't
Huh?
do that.
But it's bad and no.
You're not allowed to do
Don't
the
do
bad
bad.
thing.
Okay. So today you just tell us tell us about their music, okay? At the end,
Yeah, your honest review.
what do you think about
Yeah,
It's a bad man feel like it's
yeah.
In what
Okay?
language?
okay.
Yeah. So
It's
put
a ma-
Khasi. It is English. English subtitle is there.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Let's start.
Kiki
Yes. Kiki Garod. Garod. Yeah. It's okay. I'll start it here.
Bad.
It's already out. It's like released previous.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Kane sentio ba putaba
Right?
Kibang kirong kituriya
Can you hear well?
Yaking haman ngakyat penban Na Maria pi
Stay away from them because they will ruin beautiful things.
Pitang marway ba ibiyangkan Bangasil
Their play is so beautiful, man. This is
Yapikin
Meghalaya.
bangat kay
They have
Bangan
views, waterfalls.
ulasay Badno yapingat paniyaha Kasun na jrong ng hapis
And you can, if you realize on
udang banda Sentiu kelahirkan kehidupan Dan nuya pingat beniaha Kasunya jerang dang hapuslah Ubnay udang banda Sentiu kelahirkan kehidupan
Wait, huh? See, like we actually reacted to a lot of the Kasi music video, but this one it looks so unique, man. Those guys, I think they're like the top level. You can see, right? From the view and the way and the quality of everything is nice, right?
The way when they're shooting the video, the
Yeah.
places.
The place is nice.
Cắt nghe sao đong cả Jing y thiang bakar kadur Trong kamariang Henry kine kin Nampat biang Lada yang apim Treban pediang Pin ai yang akak tingang bat Kadur jauh kiba iskuin sat Pisyo kentiang wak irin yang Jing it na pi ban yo ngasliang Tang ya pikin bangat tungkai Bangan dang lang hadu ulasyai Badno ya pingat beniaha Kasunya jerang dang hap uslap Kadur ubnay udang banda Sentiu kelahirkan kehidupan
More than 100 waterfalls.
Badno ya pingat beniaha Kasunya jerang dang hap uslap
They recorded when the rain is not there.
Kadur
This is a
ubnay
rainy
udang
season.
banda Sentiu kelahirkan kehidupan
You can swim there also. My love for you. It's running.
Badno ya pingat beniaha Kasunya jerang dang hap uslap Kadur ubnay udang banda Sentiu kelahirkan kehidupan Badno ya pingat beniaha Kasunya jerang dang hap uslap Kadur ubnay udang banda
Couples, right?
Sentiu kelahirkan kehidupan
It's quality, man. This is so quality. This is so nice. It's quality. It's classic, right? And amazing. I think such this is one of the most like big project I can see, because most of the reaction we used to do, like I don't think they will spend that much like they spend in this video, right? This is quality, guys. This is nice.
So unique.
So unique, amazing. And our brother today is his first time watching the Kasi people.
Of course, this is
Yeah.
one of the best, love songs.
This is actually not for you guys, because you guys are all single, so you will not feel the vibe. You will not understand such thing, right?
But
So only for person like me, I can give good review about this. You know,
What
right?
of Samsona?
Now you don't know, guys, why they are wearing red. They don't know.
They're engaged.
But you know.
You don't know,
You know,
right?
see, you know,
And
see,
they don't know why they
You know,
recorded
Siam.
in such amazing, natural, beautiful place. Yeah, because you're single.
Because I am underage.
That sounds actually.
I said I am underage. I'm saying,
They're 12 years old.
yeah, no, I'm 10.
He's underage. He will not understand such thing. Okay, anyway, guys, that is it. And it's quality amazing. No doubt, this music video is good, man. Yeah, love from Africa. Thank you so much. Don't forget, subscribe. Do it for our brother today, guys.
Yeah.
Zimbabwe, Sudan, South Sudan, Zambia,
Oh,
Tanzania.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
Bumper club.